Hey everyone, and welcome back to our story channel. Today, I've got a wonderful little tale about a charming ladybug called Leo. Leo was peacefully sunbathing on a large green leaf when a sudden, powerful gust of wind swept him into the air. He spun through a vibrant garden, narrowly dodging giant sunflowers and buzzing bees. Initially startled, he realized the wind was like a roller coaster and started performing mid-air loops. A massive gust carried him high above the garden, giving him a breathtaking view of the entire world. He laughed, embracing the speed and the height. Finally, the wind gently deposited Leo back on his original leaf. He looked up at the sky with a grin, ready for the next unexpected journey. Sometimes surprises are adventures. Moral: try to enjoy the unexpected. Thanks so much for listening today. If you enjoyed our story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time. Bye!